is making 12 lakh applications for patents in 1 year. 12 lakh applications in 1 year. And out of those 12 lakh applications, China is granting somewhere close to 6.5 lakh patents in 1 year. India is making applications close to 50,000 in 1 year. And last year, India granted 26,000 patents. And out of those 26,000 patents, 21,000 patents were granted to foreign nationals. Only close to 5,000 patents were granted to Indian nationals, including institutions like IITs also. So there is a huge potential for us to come closer to countries like Korea, Japan, America, China, etc. Though there is a huge gap, but we understand that we have that potential. We have not realized our potential, and to do all types of facilitation in this particular process, the Office of ADII, Associate Dean for Innovation and Incubation, is a single window for all your requirements. This office is not only facilitating the protection of your research in the form of patents, copyrights, design, etc., but it also helps you in many different ways, which we will talk. It also facilitates the incubation activities. We have a separate presentation by the CEO of our incubation center, Mr. Ajam. So he will tell more about the incubation activities. But as a student of IIT Roorkee, this office of ADII is a single window office for your requirement of startups, entrepreneurship and innovation protections. So to facilitate all innovation incubation activities at IIT Roorkee, these are the two main entities. One is IPR cell and IPR chair. IPR cell is the execution body where you will come, you will submit your forms, etc., and you will see the applications are being processed at IPR cell. IPR chair is the place where the knowledge, dissemination, awareness, research related to innovation is taking place. So both these places may be of interest to you. Particularly IPR cell, which is the execution place, and since you all are PG and PhD students, so this is an office you must visit in your program at least once, where you will see that all your requirements related to intellectual property, which includes patents, copyrights, trademark, industrial design, trade secret, etc., can be protected. We have different forms. You will see in IPR cell website that what are those different forms you need to fill for processing the application related to your IP protection. And it also facilitates the technology commercialization. Once you protect some innovation, the ultimate purpose is commercialization of that technology. How your technology can be used by the industry. So that licensing, that transfer of technology is also being done by IPR cell. This slide may not be very much visible, but I'm just speaking that what is the process we follow at IIT Roorkee for protection of your intellectual property. Generally, all of you will work under the guidance of some supervisor, one supervisor or two supervisors. So whenever you feel that you have done some research which is worth protecting, which is novel, which has some kind of uniqueness, which is not existing before, then you can apply through your supervisor to IPR cell. You will submit form to IPR cell. There are two types of forms. One is form 2, another is form 15. In case you feel that your research is complete and no further data is needed, you should submit form number 2. In case you see that your research is in progress and you want to protect the idea itself, and you want to see that otherwise my idea can be copied by somebody else. So that we call as provisional protection, and the provisional protection is possible with form number 15. So either you have to fill form number 2 or form number 15. You will give that form to IPR cell. Once you give your form, we form a small committee of 3 members. The committee is known as Intellectual Property Assessment Committee, and you need to make a presentation in front of that committee, and if committee feels that yes, your work is novel, it is worth protecting, we will submit your application to Indian Patent Office, Government of India's Patent Office, and once we submit that application, you will get a application number. Once you get the application number, after that, as per the standard process, it takes 18 months to get your application published in the Journal of Patent Office. But at IIT Roorkee, since last 2 years, we have started a process of early publication. So if you submit your application means at Patent Office, Government of India today, so generally within 1 month, our applications are published in the patent journal. So we have avoided that standard process of 18 months. Once your application is published in the journal, now it is available to public. Anybody can object. Anybody can object that this is not a novel thing, this is a copied thing, I am already doing this thing, something like that. So it is open for public review. At the same time, we need to apply for review of that application by the experts. So we go for early review also. Otherwise, it takes another 1 year for the review process. So we go for early review also. And in that review process, if everything goes well, you will be granted the patent. If there may be some questions, some queries, those queries will come to you. You need to give response to those queries, and then our IPR cell will submit those response to the patent office. Then sometime reviewers will be satisfied with your response, sometime they will not be satisfied with your response. Then it is possible that they may invite you for a public hearing. So you need to go to reviewer at Delhi, and during the COVID period, all those hearings were taking online, but now in the post-COVID era, you need to go physically for that hearing to our patent office at Delhi. So in this way, the patents are granted. Patents are available only for 20 years period, and for that purpose, all the benefits of patent are available to you from the date of filing of your application, not from the date of granting. The day you file your application, from that particular date, all the benefits will be available to you. The standard process of granting a patent may take somewhere close to 2 to 3 years. But now at IIT Roorkee, we have started following the expedited processes at every stage of patent granting process. And therefore, it is possible to get a patent granted in less than 1 year also. So that is something very unique at IIT Roorkee, that your patents, if it is a really a good research, you may get your patent in less than 1 year. Though there are various reasons that why should you patent, why should you protect your research. Certainly, if you want to commercialize your research, you all are engineers, scientists sitting here. As engineers and scientists, the biggest satisfaction is that some research you are doing and that is being commercially used. We all like to publish our research, but that publication gives some level of satisfaction. But the bigger satisfaction will come when a design is available in the market based on your research. That is only possible when you protect your research using the IP tools. So that is a larger benefit. But if I see a smaller benefit for you particularly, that recently at IIT Roorkee, we have started using these patents and startup activities as part of your PhD program also. So if you see in the last of this slide, I have written that these patents and startup activities can be used for the publication requirement for your PhD activities. And this is something very unique to IIT Roorkee. And in 19th Senate, it was decided that if you are doing patents, it can be considered in lieu of your publication requirement, mandatory publication requirement, which is there for submitting your PhD thesis. So in lieu of those publication requirements, you can do the patents also. Similarly, if you are coming up with some startup based on your PhD problems, so that startup activity can also be considered in lieu of your publication requirements. So these are some very unique feature of IIT Roorkee's commitment for promotion of innovation and incubation activities. These are some of the patents which we got recently, and these are those patents which we got in less than 1 year of time. So I have mentioned that patents we got in 11 months, 8 months, 9 months, even in 7 months also. So this encourages our MTech students also that if they do good work, so within their degree program, they can also have a patent with them. So some of these applications which you see we filed in the month of 27th October 2021, we submitted the application to the patent office, and in May 2022 the patent was awarded. So how fast the process is happening, and this is all because of our expedited route for granting the patents. Now, whether you are a MTech student or PhD student, maybe you are not so keen for patenting activities, but this is one resource which is available at institute you must use. This is the Derwent database. All MTech students, PhD students will be using some kind of databases for the literature review in their thesis program. I am requesting to use this Derwent database, which is a database of all the patents available in the world. All the patents available in the world. Generally, if you go to Google, you will see patents which are available only in English language. But as I just mentioned, China is doing more than 6 lakh patents per year. So you will not be able to see patents which are written in Mandarin. So if you go to Derwent, you will see patents which are available in 40 different languages. So the translation of all those patents in English is available in this Derwent database. IIT Roorkee has a institute-wide subscription. I will show you how will you access it. So please use it, and it will tell you that what type of new work you are doing. Even for your MTech projects also, you can use this facility. So this is Derwent, you will see. So once you go to this clarivate.com website, on that you will see this Derwent which is highlighted. Once you click this Derwent, then this type of page will appear, and here you simply need to push this IP authentication. So as long as you are in IIT Roorkee network, wherever you are, whether you are in your bhavan, you are in your classroom, or you are here itself, so you can see that you can immediately access the entire Derwent database, and it's really a learning experience. It will be fun to know that what type of new researches are happening. So you can, once you have that IP authentication clicked, this screen will appear, and then you can write whatever you want to search. Like this is a result of one search where we searched all the patents which are available at IIT Roorkee. So this is the list, a partial list of that site. This gives you the idea that how patenting activities been geared at IIT Roorkee. So in last couple of years, the number of patents which are granted, that is on rise. That 2020 it was 5, then 21 it is 11, and 22 till this date we have received already 18 grants. Though our filing has slightly decreased in last 1 year, but this year again we are expecting that we will be touching this number close to 100. So last year the number got slightly because of the COVID activities, but before that there was a continuous increase in the patent filing activities. Some of the myth, if you are not very clear about patenting activities, so these are the common myth you may be having, that patent granting is a very lengthy process. If you talk to anybody, they will say that it will take 4 or 5 years of getting a patent, so let's not go to that path, just publish your work. So as I already mentioned, that it is now possible to get your patent in less than 1 year. And there are PhD students in the campus, those who got 2 patents during their PhD program. So it's really very encouraging. Earlier, it was a case that patents were available to us in 4 to 5 years of period. But now, patents are possible in less than 1 year. Then, lot of you, particularly PhD students and MTech students also, there is a confusion continuously that relation of patent process and the publication. As a researchers, MTech students are also beginning their journey in the research process. So there is a requirement of publication also, and we want patents also. So as I mentioned, that the day you submit your application and you get your application number from the patent office, the very next day you can start publishing your research. Then that novelty clause will not come in between. But if you publish and then go for patenting, then it will not be possible. So if you want to structure your work in such a way that today you submit the application, tomorrow you get the application number, then next day you can submit your manuscript to any publication house. Then writing a patent application, that is also a challenging thing, because when you are writing a patent application, it's a kind of a techno-legal document. So there is no issue. You simply write the way you can write about your invention, about your novelty. IPR cell will take care of converting your application into a techno-legal document. So there is no expectation from you that you should understand the drafting of patent. Drafting of patent will be done by us. And then patenting is an expensive process. It requires good amount of money. So that also you need not to take care. IIT Roorkee will fully support right from the day you file your application to maintain the patent after granting. We will take care of all the expenses related to patent process. So for you as students of IIT Roorkee, you need not to worry about the cost of patenting process. So these myths. Otherwise, if someone is outside the campus, for them many of these things can be true. But for you especially, you need not to worry about these aspects. In IPR cell office, we have 2 officers, because how to use Derwent, how to write the application, etc., how to fill those Form 2 and Form 15 may be a small challenge to some of you. So to facilitate all those things, Dr. Mini and Dr. Sushma, we have 2 officers. You can meet them, you can write to them, and they will be very helpful to support all your IP related requirements. We continuously organize so many lectures to disseminate various information about IP. It is a very dynamic area. WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, they keep changing. India also becomes the part of different types of international treaty. So all those information need to be disseminated to you. So we regularly organize so many lecture series, and you will be getting now